and they're loving Surface Go, and so am I. So I'm going to transition from the smallest device in our portfolio to the largest. So my favorite times at work are when I'm working in a group. Ideas are flowing, the team is jiving. It's amazing. If I were to paint a picture of great collaboration, I'd see people on their feet, actively engaged in the conversation, not in the laptops in front of them. Emphatic head nodding. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's magic. But the problem is today that those moments are bound by scheduled time in our calendars and spaces in our buildings. How many of you have been in a meeting to be interrupted by a knock on the door? It's the next meeting group trying to get into the conference room. So you're like furiously finding your phone, snapping pictures of the whiteboard. It's a mess. You've broken your momentum, right? Your team workflow has been broken. With Surface Hub 2, we want to get rid of all of that. We want to keep teams in their workflow. We have 3 major ambitions with Surface Hub 2. The first is to turn any space into a team workspace. So to do that, with Surface Hub 2, we're bringing you a lighter, thinner form factor that's easy to move around, especially with these amazing mobile stands by Steelcase. You really get freedom from that traditional conference room experience, and you can take collaboration on the move. We're also going to continuously push the boundaries when it comes to delivering an amazing remote meeting experience. We're going to do that by bringing you brilliant resolution, 4K plus screen, 4K cameras, and better speakers and mics. All of these features to make the remote collaboration experience not feel so remote, frankly. We're doing all of this so that teams can stay in their workflow, not break their momentum. We want to make collaboration easier. So speaking of collaboration, one of my favorite real-world examples of teamwork is our collaboration with workspace expert Steelcase. We work with them to bring our vision for mobile collaboration to life. And together we designed this stand, our mobile stand for Surface Hub 2. We're super proud of it. And with that example in mind, I want to demo for you what the future of collaboration is going to look like on Surface Hub 2. And to do that, I'm going to bring my friend Dave up to stage. Hey, Dave.
Thanks, Adrian. So like you mentioned, we have a fantastic collaboration with Steelcase on the mobile stand. The challenge is there's over 2,000 miles between Redmond and Grand Rapids. Online meetings have been a thing for a long time, but we all know what it's like to be remote in one of those meetings. It's difficult to get your voice heard. It's difficult to be seen. You just don't feel like you have an equal voice with the people who are on the other end. So we need to have great tools that allow us to be able to collaborate just like we're in a room together with that same level of power and efficiency. So let me show you how that's going to work on Surface Hub 2. So we were talking about the product day presentation that I've got, and it's a really stressful thing. It's got executives in it, and we need to talk about the details of the design of the beautiful mobile stand. So we need to talk to my colleague Oyen from Steelcase. So let's go ahead and do the Surface Hub signature dynamic rotation. And then we'll be able to, with Microsoft Teams and one touch, be able to join a conversation with Oyen. Hey, Oyen, how you doing? And you can see that he looks great. You know, in this portrait orientation, it's full screen. It's like I'm talking to him. He's right there with me, taking advantage of that 4K plus screen resolution, that 3:2 aspect ratio. It's pretty spectacular. But you know what? We need to start and go to the whiteboard.
Right.
So let's do that.
So I've already enrolled in this device. So to sign in and access my OneDrive documents, I'm just going to use my finger, log in, and my recent documents are going to pop up. It's so easy to access. Right now, I'm going to launch the whiteboard because we've been working on this whiteboard for a couple weeks now. What I love about the new whiteboard is you can actually maintain and rehydrate previous whiteboards. So we can jump right back in.
Sweet. So what's the team thinking? What's the best design?
Yeah, so at this point, I'm really loving this one. I think it's going to totally blend in with the furniture. It's approachable, easy to walk up and collaborate around. I think we go with this one.
Cool. It looks like Oyen agrees.
Yep.
Can I get that image?
Oh, yeah, definitely. So let me just snap this over to the side here. Easy, and why don't you log in?
Okay, so I'll just go ahead and also use my fingerprint and log in simply with one touch on the fingerprint sensor. And of course, I've been at my desk working on the PowerPoint presentation, very stressed out. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and that was the most recent item in my recent file picker. And it's going to load up here for me on the Surface Hub 2. And I've stubbed out slide number 3 here as the thing that I want to use, and I just need to complete it. I just need that image. So I'm going to go ahead and snap this over here.
Let me go over to that for you.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this image right here. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to jump back over here to my PowerPoint slide and be able to paste that back in, and I can just kind of slide that in place. Looks like I'm done. I'm ready for that presentation.
That's awesome. So what you've just seen is that both Dave and I have logged into the same device. This would have never been possible before. You can see both of our profiles. This is my file, this is his. And we've been able to collaborate between the two documents. This would have taken so many steps before and wasted so much time. Now we can do it so easily.
Sweet. Thanks for your help.
Thanks, Dave. So guys, we really hope you've enjoyed seeing the future of collaboration come to life. We're really excited about what Surface Hub is going to do for our customers and how you all are going to use it. So with that, I'd like to bring Ali back to stage to close us out.
Thanks, Adrienne. It's really amazing to see these features come to life, and we are so excited about Surface Hub 2, and we hope that you are too. Now, I want to talk a little bit about how we're planning on rolling these out. Forgive the pun. I will start by taking a quick look back. So we started on this journey to empower teams with Microsoft Surface Hub, and we've been so pleased by the reaction that we've had on this product. We sold Surface Hub to more than 5,000 customers in 25 markets. Over 50% of Fortune 500 companies have bought into our vision. And with Surface Hub, we've enabled some great experiences like one-touch meeting join, best-in-class large-screen inking, and the ability to run Office and third-party apps natively on the device. As we ramp up for Surface Hub 2, we've been listening carefully to our customers, to our Surface Hub customers. They tell us that they love the Surface Hub experience. They tell us that they want it in a lighter, more mobile form factor with enhanced VTC tools like enhanced screens, cameras, mics, speakers. And they tell us that they want it in a way that they can deploy today at scale. So we've decided to take a phased approach with Surface Hub 2. The first phase of our journey will be Surface Hub 2S. This product is coming in the second quarter of 2019. Hub 2S will deliver the Surface Hub experience that our customers know and love in a lighter and slimmer form factor with the enhanced VTC tools that we've talked about. An amazing screen, better mics, speakers, cameras, and we're super excited about taking the Surface Hub experience into a mobile form factor while continuing to deliver both on-prem and hybrid experiences, enabling our customers to bridge their journey to the cloud. Now, more advanced features like tiling, dynamic rotation, and multi-user login will be introduced in the next phase of our journey, which is Surface Hub 2X. Surface Hub 2X will be available in 2020. It will bring these never before seen features like multi-user login with fingerprint that you've just seen. It will be able to cover a whole side of a room with different tiling configurations. It will rotate to adapt to the way you work. And it will introduce a series of modern management tools via the cloud. Now, 2S will be fully upgradable to 2X. So you'll be able to make the most out of your hardware investments and update over time. We remain fully committed to the Surface Hub 2 vision, and we're happy to provide our customers with an experience in the near term that can be updated over time. So how is this possible? So this is possible with our design around a removable processor cartridge. We have an easily accessible hardware chassis in the back of the device, and this processor cartridge can be removed, upgraded, and serviced over time. This is what will enable our customers to make the switch from 2S to 2X in an easy way, and our customers will be able to update to the Microsoft 365-powered Surface 2X in 2020. I love this piece of thoughtful engineering that provides a future-proofed solution, and I can't wait to share more on it in the coming months. So this is our Surface Hub 2 family. We have Hub 2S coming in Q2 2019. We can't wait to start deploying this in our customers' environments. It's the hub experience that they know and love, now available in an amazing form factor that is easy to move around with enhanced remote meeting tools. And we're already hearing a ton of positive feedback from our customers here this week on 2S coming soon. We then look forward to helping our customers make the journey to the cloud and enable Hub 2X experiences like tiling, like dynamic rotation, like multi-user that are going to be amazing. It is an exciting road ahead for us with Surface Hub 2, and we can't wait for you to be a part of it. So we see a bright future for Surface, Surface Hub, and all of our Surface devices in the modern workplace. We hope that you do too, and we hope that you've enjoyed our presentation. Thank you. Now, welcome. Thank you very much for joining us